Hello everyone, welcome to AGTechTube. Today I am going to show you a quick guide about creating a signature in Gmail account. So let's go to Gmail, hit this settings button and go to see all settings. Now go to the bottom of the screen. Here in signature tab, you need to create new. You can put any name to your signature. I will put just sample, create. And here you need to add what you want to be seen in your signature. Let's say best regards AGTechTube channel. And after editing your signature, you need to press save changes. Okay, now let's check if we have made the correct signature. Open the new message and press this pen insert signature button. And here you can see a list of signatures. We have just created sample. Just select it and the signature will appear. Thank you for watching this guide. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.